I don't know about you, but every time I eat ice cream, when you're sad, it does kind of make things feel better. How's everybody doing today? First, I want to thank each and every one of you who like and subscribe. Share or like or subscribe. It means a lot to me. Did I show you guys my office? We're here at Trump Fitness. This is my new gym that I signed up for, and what I love about this gym is I can vlog, create videos, and they're not gonna make a big deal of it, and then I can go to one of the lounges and then edit. But today I might want to take you guys to Aeon Mall if you guys haven't been already, because there is this favorite ice cream place that I love to go to. Here at Aeon Mall, and it's Sunday, so Sunday is a big family day here. I believe, I want to say, guesstimation, about 70% of Cambodians don't work Sundays. They will work Monday through Saturday, 10 hours a day, and then Sunday is family day. So I'm here at Aeon Mall, and I'm gonna go to my favorite ice cream spot. I'm gonna show you real quick. Called Swenson's. They also have it in Thailand. For me, it's very hard to find good ice cream, but this is very westernized, so it has the western taste. But before I do that, I'm gonna go to the ATM. And in the ATM here, what I love about it, they got all the banks together, lined up. Some banks, my ATM card does not work, but ABA does. And what I love about ABA is that I can also pull out US dollars and Khmer Real. Lately, I don't want to pull out US dollars because I can only pull out $100 at a time. And I'm so paranoid because a little wrinkle, a little rip, then like it loses its value, like $10 value. So I'd rather just get Cambodian Real, because then it could just be wrinkle or however it is, and they'll just accept it. For me, it's still a little confusing having to, in my mind, convert it, but I have my cell phone with me. So the second problem is just when they tell me the price in Cambodian, I still don't really know Cambodian numbers outside of 1 to 10. So that's an issue, but every day I'm trying to learn one word a day. I figure I might as well show you the mall here in Phnom Penh. Phnom Penh. I gotta start saying Phnom Penh because that's the proper way to say it, because in the internet I would hear Phnom Penh, Phnom Penh, but Phnom Penh is the correct way. Phnom in Khmer means mountain, so mountain Penh. Just wanted to show you how all the ATMs are together here, so very organized. I feel like in the States, the banks don't want to be next to each other, but here, when it comes to like airlines or banks, they like to group them all together so you don't get confused, or you don't have to go across the mall just to go to a different type of bank. So I like the convenience here. This is the biggest Cambodian Real you can get, and it's 50,000 Real, which equates to $12.50. So every time you spend one of these, you're spending $12.50. So that's something I always got to keep in mind, because sometimes I feel like I'm spending Monopoly money. So you're just gonna just spend, and then when you do your calculations later at home, you're like, damn, I just spent $100. The malls here in Cambodia are super clean from top to bottom, and all the stores are open, unlike the US. a lot of stores are closing down because of the high rent. Here, every store has like 2, 3, 4 employees. That's because of the salary, obviously, but it keeps all the people working, and I love that. You always see families here. Cambodia is a very conservative country, so you rarely see, unless they're a Westerner, you know, inappropriate clothing. Something in America that we would consider normal, I guess. Here, it's like you don't do that. So the women here are dressed very conservative. They're always probably going to be with their moms or brothers. So of course you do get occasional girls here come in with their friends and stuff. But from what I noticed, they're dressed very, very conservatively here. Just want to show you the food court real quick. A lot of Cambodians come here to eat. Very affordable. Got everything you can want. Cambodian food, hamburgers, fries, and then you also got upstairs where they have westernized food like KFC, Carl's Jr., stuff like that. And alas, Swenson's. Let's get some ice cream.ខ្ញុំដឹងខ្ញុំចង់បានអីខ្ញុំចង់បាន banana splitបាទអរគុណច្រើន Okay, I just ordered my favorite, the banana split. That's what I get all the time. Eat here once a week. But Chega, yeah. Ban. It's okay. Yeah, ban. No. Tomada, but that chicken. Bye. Okay, ban. They just ran out of bananas. So I was thinking, should I ask them for a discount? But I just told them to make it normal without the banana. That's fine with me. So he just informed me they did have one last banana, and they even put the American flag. I don't know about you, but every time I eat ice cream, when you're sad, it does kind of make things feel better, at least for the moment. The ice cream are so good. I know most Cambodians, when they see me eat like this, they think I'm crazy because all they see is ice cream and banana. And bananas, fruits and stuff are so abundant here, so I guess for a better word, they don't see the fascination. But this is a traditional American style ice cream, the banana split. So, you know when you miss home, you gotta find your comfort food, right? This is one of the places I go to. But I can eat Cambodian food every day. But when you grow up in LA, you got such a mixed array of foods that you kind of miss. And if you're gonna live in Cambodia, I think it's very important to find your comfort places, you know? A good coffee shop if you drink coffee, good gym, laundry, find a good laundry place, good ice cream place, a good hamburger place, a good pizza place. So once you find all those, living here is going to be so easy for you. You don't need to spend more than $300 or more just eating out. Of course, if you splurge, that number can jump dramatically. But I'm pretty frugal. I don't need to spend $100 on a steak. You know, when you can get sagoehang with nampang, which is beef on a skewer with bread. So good. And I can spend more than like $2, $3. And that's my go-to when I'm hungry. Good protein, very tasty, barbecue taste. Although, before I end the video, I want to thank each and every one of you who subscribe. I try to speak as much Cambodian as I can, but you know, when the opportunity comes, I do speak. Every day I try to learn one word. So, a year from now, maybe my company's just gonna get better and better. Take care, guys. Catch you on the next one.